Hey guys, today we have a quick look, unboxing, review, and setup and use guide for this floor lamp. The model is MF18559. Pretty awesome color changing light bulb with remote and very high and strong. So let's open it up and take a look. Styrofoam is so bad for the environment. At least I think. Oh yeah, the tectonic plate. All right, so it's cool. It just kind of twists in, and then you get your height. It's got the cable that's running through it, and this is the actual droopy, the thing that kind of droops down, and I assume the shade is kind of underneath. We got here your power adapters. What else they give you? That's kind of it. You have your step on it switch, just in case you want to kill it with your foot. All right, so let me just take out this layer. So if you flip the box over, you get your base and your shade. This base is a heavy monster. Your shade in a tube. What do you got in here? Okay, you got your cool light, which is an LED bulb. Interesting. I wonder what wireless technology that's using. Like if you want to replace the bulb, like is it Zigbee, Z-Wave, Bluetooth? Does the base control the LED? It's interesting. Yeah, you know what? That might be. It just says RF, so yeah, pretty cool. So that's the remote. Cool little remote here and a floor button. So if you want to kick the floor button, that will hard shut it off, and it comes on a warm. We haven't found out a way to change it to cool. I think you just hit the color loop. So let's turn it off. Not the floor button. Turn it back on. No, the floor button will cut the power to it. So, okay, so do on off. You hold the remote up higher. Okay, so do on. Okay, that's on off, and then try to dim it. Dimming is in the left. I think you just got to hold the down the whole time. All right, so it's dimming down. All right, and then it has the color wheel. You can go through the colors. Okay, and then it has these cool, crazy modes. And there's about like 6 different modes, from strobe to slower to phasing in and out. But yeah, pretty cool, awesome floor lamp. Shade was pretty easy to install. The shade actually seems a bit flimsy, but when you actually pull it really tight, it's okay. But I would say the one thing this thing is lacking is the shade. But yeah, good height, probably comes up to 5.5 feet.